Alright, so I got the stand, screwed into a piece of plywood so that the legs don't dig into the roof, helps spread out the load a little bit more. A little trick I learned from one YouTube video was using bags of river stone. So I bought a bag of river stone and a couple of sandbags, put them in there. It's a dish, I haven't plugged it in yet. As you can see, I'm pretty optimistic here, or pessimistic. Half of the sky is blocked by trees, so it's an experiment. We'll see how it goes. This is temporary. Ran the cable in here. Sorry that the camper's so dirty. It's been a long winter. When summer comes, we'll be cleaning it up. So opening comes up under my bed here, and here's the cable. Dropped on the cable. All right. Plug it in. All right. Flip this up. I'm going to be checking the Wi-Fi soon. Hey, make sure the outlet's working. Yeah, outlet's on. All right, it flipped up. It's been about 15 minutes since I plugged it in. I have a feeling I'm going to go inside. I open up the app, it's going to say, "What the heck are you trying to do?" Oh, we'll see. We'll see if half the sky is okay. Alright, so since I'm testing this location, which I don't think is going to be very good, I know it takes a couple of days before Starlink just really figures out what to do. So yeah, using this network monitoring software I downloaded, I'll put a link in the description. The stats that are up there now are from when I was home and I set it up on my home network. So far it hasn't gathered anything for today. I'm going to go ahead and clear them out. I'm going to give it the weekend. Today's Saturday. Probably come back Sunday and check it, and Monday and check it, just to see how it's going, see if it's even usable. Sounds like it's not usable, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, the monitoring software runs on a little Raspberry Pi. Right now, since I don't have the Ethernet adapter, I have to run it wireless. But once I get the Ethernet adapter from Starlink, I'll run it wired. But at this point, it looks like this isn't going to work. Looks like I need to find a friendly neighbor to let me use his roof or her roof. And I need to get a 150-foot long cord too. Hey, after 24 hours, kind of final orientation of the dish. Time to do the speed test and see how it worked out. Alright, I think I definitely need a different antenna location. It's about 50% blocked. The green is when the ping test actually made it through. Red is I couldn't even ping, right? Last ping test was 15 milliseconds, was pretty dang good, but 20 megs up and 3 megs down. There's not much, and the ping times are all up to 5 seconds. Yeah, I'm gonna need a different I'm gonna need a different antenna location. It's probably time to find some see if I can get some friends to help me out here. So here's the Starlink view. Let me try it again. Yeah. So this isn't the Starlink router stuff, right? This is this app, but I keep going on and offline, which I'm surprised it isn't just offline all the time. But whatever it's doing to try and figure out, whatever the script is doing to try and figure out the obstructions, it's not doing a good job. I took a picture. Pretty dang blocked, yeah.